It's great to be here today for the official opening of the Bae Technology Centre, a centre that's been built by NPT as a typical hub for new technology, renewable technology, and a base for great ideas to be developed. The other good thing is that Port Talbot County Borough Council are fully supportive of every business here. We've got a dedicated business team which has supplied grants, technological help, business development plans. You know, we are fully supported to bring in this new technology and renewable technology as being a basis of the new production, perhaps strategy of Port Talbot County Borough Council.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Wright, and I'm the CSO, Chief Scientific Officer for Procol Limited. And Procol Limited are a company, a biomaterials company that spun out of Swansea University, the biomedical engineering department, in order to supply collagen to the research market, but we're now moving into other markets, the food, aesthetics market, to sell collagen. But we were particularly attracted to this building, the Bae Technology Centre. It sort of reflects our aspirations in terms of a scientific and a materials focused and a carbon positive building as well. You know, we want to be sustainable in our production, and so this carbon positive building lends itself to that.
Good morning, my name's Martin Barnes. I'm the CEO of Crossflow Energy, and we're a renewable energy specialist that develops a unique wind turbine which addresses the shortcomings of small-scale wind historically. So that means it's very reliable, has excellent performance in terms of efficiency, and addresses the planning constraints which have blighted small-scale wind over time. Energy has been a key issue highlighted both for us as individuals and in the press over the last 2 or 3 years, and that's brought both large-scale energy projects as well as small embedded wind technologies like this one into the forefront. As Crossflow, we now have our first project with Vodafone in the UK, and looking to roll out several projects with them across the UK in the next 12 months, as well as discussions that are progressing extremely well with international clients in different parts of the globe where this particular technology is well suited.
It's a great building for businesses to come into, expanding out of buildings they might be in which have gone too small. And what a great hub as well. It's a real buzz here. You've got lots of new technology, lots of businesses linked to renewables, great ideas, companies coming from out of the borough and just coming here just to be in this building and to pick up on the real good feel and good buzz that we've got here.